Namaste everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is Yong. Today we are going to explore and look into some arm balance poses again. We will look into crow pose and the variation of this pose. Of course, before you really going to practicing the crow pose, you should have already warm up your wrist joint, strengthen your arm, and also build some core strength. I would definitely recommend you to do some boat pose, low boats if you can, and also Lolasana, which is very good core strengthening pose for you to strengthen your core before you move into the crow pose. And also, of course, Lolasana can also help you in building up your strength when you want to go for your jump back and jump through from your vinyasa. Lolasana is definitely the key for achieving jump back and jump through. Okay, how do we do Lolasana? Of course, the easiest one would be great if you have your block with you. Of course, especially for some who doesn't have much core strength and arm strength yet, the block will help to create the heights for you to be easier for you to come up to the pose. Okay, you want to push your palms down towards the floor or your block. Okay, not like this, but in this way. You want to bring your ears away from your shoulders, then slowly bring your body up, push yourself up, then lastly bring your knees close to your chest. You want to bring your toes away from the floor. This is requiring a lot of the core strength, but if you can hold here for 10 counts would be really good to work on your core. Okay, but of course you also need arm strength to be able to lift yourself up. Okay, but of course without slowly you want to move away, slowly you want to move along by doing Lolasana without the block. Okay, your palms can be on the floor, but doing the same thing, you push yourself up and then bring your knees up and your toes up. You can cross the legs. Of course, Lolasana can play around to bring your legs forward and back. This is how you practice your if you want to move back, jump back for your vinyasa. This is really good practice to keep trying your legs forward and then back to the Lolasana, back to cross legs. This is a good exercise. And now, once you build up the core, you want to go through to exercise along with the tutorial, you can do so. But if you just want to look to learn the tricks, you can do so. For Bakasana, today we want to explore Eka Pada Bakasana, which is a one-leg crow. Okay, in English maybe it's called one-leg crow, or some people call it the flying crow. Yeah, I came across with two different types of Eka Pada Bakasana, and we will explore it today. So the first one is something like this. Okay, one leg straightened, another leg is crow leg. So how do we go to this pose? Okay, first of all, if we are doing it the right side, first you can bring your shoulders under your right thigh. Okay, get as close as possible. Bring your palm down, left palms down. Bring your elbows closer to your body. Bring your hips up. Left knee on top of the left tricep. Left leg up, left foot up. Bring your right leg up, straighten the right leg. Straighten the right leg or not, it depends on your hamstring. Okay, I can't straighten it so well because my hamstring is very tight. Of course, you will try to straighten the right leg. This is your Eka Pada Bakasana. If you want to do the left side, please balance up to do the left side. Do the same thing. Bring your left shoulder down this time. Push your left palm down, right palm down, elbows closer to each other. Right knee on top of right tricep. slowly bring both legs up. Straighten it. Look at your left foot. Okay, stay here for a few breaths, then you want to slowly come down from the pose. Okay, this is the first Eka Pada Bakasana that I came across, and I think it's very interesting. Now we want to explore. I often heard this as flying crow, so maybe more tricky. It will require definitely more strength to achieve this pose. There are a few entries for this pose, of course. We'll look into the harder entry, which I think, yep, it's definitely harder for this entry, but I'll try. Okay, go to your normal crawl. Okay, you know what to do with your normal crawl, and then you want to bring one leg upright. Okay, you want to try bring your one leg to the center, and then bring it up, and come back. Okay, this is definitely hard because it requires a lot of your core work to be able to lift your right knee away from your elbow, and then you still want to straighten the right leg, right? But the other entry, for me, I think will be easier. I learned it from a teacher of mine, Mark. Okay, so you will enter to the pose from downward facing dog. Okay, we'll do the same side. So I'll bring the left leg up and bring the left knee rest on top of the left tricep, and then slowly I slide the right leg up, and then I bring the right leg up. This is easier because when you are sliding your right foot to the front, you are already engaging your core so much, and you are already bringing your right hip up. So that is the momentum to help you to slide forward and bring the right leg up easier. Okay, you can try out these two options. Yep, these are the two entries that I can think of for now. Of course, if you have other entries, other methods to go up to Eka Pada Bakasana, you feel free to comment and write to me, write some suggestions. So this is today's tutorial for crawl. If you are practicing so much of your crawl, you may feel a lot of this tightness for your wrist. Of course, you want to move a bit on the wrist. Okay, move around, do some counter poses. Okay, and also it's good for you to do a back bend pose, like a wheel pose, to counter up for your crawl practice. Alright, thank you so much. Namaste. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. See you guys not tomorrow, but next time maybe. Bye.